What is happening in Igbo land is alarming. My people, you say you don't read though. As it be like this now, what Igbo youth are turning into. I don't know who brought this thing they are smoking. When they don't have it to smoke, they will look for a way to go to thief in other way to smoke. Things are really happening. We are doing this video to call all fathers, mothers in Igbo land. Please be monitoring your children. You born them, they cannot overthrow you. They are still in your roof. Don't pressure your son or your daughter to go out there to make a living at a tender age, because this is most of the time the parents are even the cause of what is happening to their children. Please, I'm calling all mothers and all fathers to be careful. Do you know what is going on right now? The Igbo youth are collaborating with Fulani youth to kidnap their own people for money. You don't read though, my people. I want you to watch this video from beginning to end before we come back and continue. Don't forget to stay there for news in Pop Info News and they share the video as you watch am.
Na iftedunu between boundary iftedunu no monya the day faje kidnapping na amazike na ke ma papa omo boy can da boy go direct forget so and that from very well life and direct before the weba me pump action cause that even pump action na akpo from under cause the weba and direct and if I do weba on the Fulani 6 the father and I can da no in the midst of them and don't have weba me direct.
Okay. So I am about we are going.
Yes. Obam de ba no sina some weapon.
Onya be kidnap is by the person.
Ha kidnap the person. Ha kidnap the person, no the sales girl we to kidnap. And I am say we have a ransom somewhere along airport road for where release the child.
I going again.
According to them, I don't know, I'm kind of no over our person a ransom of 5 million naira.
So you confirm Wakanda very well?
Yes, I confirm very, very well. And often very clear. And often very clear.
Okay, back in see and young one year soon the Fulani make here.
Yes, I saw you. Zoseru, Kokwa de pump, the Mbo where we pool, or Totaku waiting, we're buying a touch waiting, 1 year before buy the second one, we're buying from no wasting as a weapon.
And the Abu Chagima.
Abu woman as this. Bukasama, no dagger. Bukasama as this.
Okay. And one night, okay. Oh, no one. And that took one out of the way. And yeah, about that day, cake kidnap go, but when you say answer. Yes. A ordinary person can come and carry any around. Okay.
Okay.
Ordinary person who have the motor soon can that kidnap one night working with BS. Napia 20 million within the hotel. Johnson if they do kidnap no Mudioka. Napo Egonka, kidnap or mother. I got so many places. And if they don't only catch from Okoso Patana, if they don't kidnap what the person. We're just gonna okay, if they don't know money.
And I'm
the same thing. Kidnap process girl do
on 23 of September. 7:45 in the evening.
So thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you, sir. Thank you. When you're not commander special squad, I see one you might have done and I'm by way of opposition security in Domun and Neke Yomun and Nina Sero.
Yes.
Sini can have a number, you can madam on the week. No right Patagapata. When they can put security to do making this special squad if to do. When they can put the police right now, non DCI how. When they can put security Mudioka, chairman security Mudioka, I can have you. So I can put their PG. PG has a Guinaka. Yana government security in the golf.
Yeah, special grace of God. I'm going about Chief Dr. K. Eke Onya Maya. Abiam, where can live to do special squad? By special grace of God, now Chineke Yusufa, Panalo Solike, and where can a Chineke Nisiva note to note? Now Chineke Yusufa, we won't do a bame when 23 of September, and I bought Obo Bala. Kanda on Bala. Boy State. Of abandon nya boy name attack. Na mpu ezekwe ni iftedunu. Uti here they were about 6 men, and they have all kinds of sophisticated weapons. We be no game with that. Nsi ifite dinu we na bata umunya. So na kenen Chineke ni sinde special squad ifite dinu. When I open the government, biko ka back have up enough. Ke we nwe ke wipe all these crimes. Makana ndị njam bụ ndị kidnappers. Na terrorize ifite dinu no umunya. And that the same particular day, had under kidnapping in Umunya, along the process of going, I come encounter with them. So, Anima, you want the government, have a lot of opportunity. We want to vigilante also in the market. But in never a lot of equipments. Hey, do we wipe all this kind of crimes? Then an Igbo. If you get so, I can if they do no, can I one day Umudioka, can I ndo Umunya at the same time? So, as Nachuku Yabu no me. Na efunu na efuna ndo nde na egbe ka agba m ife ute mma ha gbukasị ma n'isi
Yes.
So nya bụ egbe ha agba nyosi n'onu banye si n'azụ wee pụọ. So chukwu na ndị ana mekwa ife dị wee bụrụ chukwu na ndị ana. So ekenekwa chukwu lụrụ ọrụ nke sikwa ede eme na ekenekwa na nke ọ ka eme wee yọkwa ndị elders ndị nna yọkwa ụmụ okolobịa yọkwa ndị gọọmenti unu biko unu nye aka kai cry no nwa dị na mgbamgba anyị niile nwa ka ọ pụọ na Fulani ya na dịrọ mma agbata obi mmadụ na ndị be anyị kutasukwu ma ndị Fulani wee na-eme ya bụ mpụ na ife ọjọọ na anaba anyị wee na ya unu biko do unu tie aka ka awaipa ife ọjọọ niile dị n'ala Igbo ka anyị mee nke a ka ọ dịla anyị ma na-aba Chukwu na ndị a daalụ.
Dafa gị gịnị ka ị na-arụ? Kedu ụdị ori ị na-ezu? Kedu ebe unu na-eje eri ya? Kedu moto unu ji aga? Kedu afa ndị otu gị?
Sunday, Ifeanyi na Chibuike na ofe akwụ na Joa.
Unu dị 6. Kedu ihe moto unu na-use?
Joa.
Kedu ka ebe kọta unu ji akpaka shop dị?
Ọ dị ebe a na-ebe ọsọ.
Kedu ebe ọ?
Na nke energy.
So ihe na-agwa iwe eziokwu. Kedu onye ji dị kọta na?
Dị kọta?
Ah.
Ọ ya dị security bịa dị.
Okay. So ihe na-agwa iwe eziokwu.
Yes sir.
Onwe asịrị na ya.
No sir.
Kedu ebe isi na ilegasị ihe ndị unu bugasị?
Na nke papa Unashi na afọ igwe.
Ka ebe ile je na?
Na afọ igwe sir.
Ka ebe ile laptop na phone?
Na afọ igwe.
Kedu ebe unu ele cosmetics and provision na?
Na Koka.
Kedu afa ha?
Nke OZ.
And onye?
With OO.
Na ama na unu ezu ezu.
Yes sir.
Ndị ebe ka ndị Igbo afa wụ?
Nearby state.
Ha na-abụ. Onye driver na-eyuzu unu na-eji moto ya. Onye ebe ka ọ hụ?
Nearby state.
Bụ onye ebe?
Nearby state.
Kwede so ihe na-agwa anyị.
My wonderful people, please, I want you to share this video. If you are a brother, please look after your brother. Mother, look after your children. Things are going wrong in our land. Things are totally going wrong in our land. How did we get to this point? How did we get to this particular point? You will see children of 10 years, they are already into hard drugging. If we continue like this, our population is going to decrease. We are going to have more junkies, mad people in the region. We must speak out for the truth. The children must look, mothers must take care of their children now before it's too late. Look for, as a young man, go and look for something to do now. Stealing is how you are going to live your life, live your dream life. It's not going to help you but to cut your life short. My people, na so it be as I bring a con give una but more share the video and always start for the truth. For most of una we go con that business. Hey, no, if you talk nonsense, no we go punish you. Because if you see good thing, talk am. If you see bad thing, also condemn am. Na so it be. Share the video as it dey hot. And don't forget to follow our Facebook. Don't forget to follow our social media handles. Anywhere you see us, Pump Info News.